Hello students, today we will do exponents and powers. So it's very easy topic and don't worry about it because it has some laws. We'll do that. Okay, so exponents and powers. Let's say if we write a raised to the power n. So here this is the power and a is the base. So first of all we'll learn this thing that a is the base and whatever is the superscript, this is called the power. So power is what? Power is superscript. Easy? Okay. Now we'll see what exactly the thing is. If I say a raised to the power 2, that means a has 2 as power. That means a raised to the power 2 is equal to a multiplied by a. We'll learn this with an example. Let's say if we say 2 raised to the power 3, let's say. So 3 is the power and 2 is the base. So here we can write 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. So if we multiply 2 into 2, that becomes 4 and it becomes here 2 again comes here. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So we can say that 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. I hope you will understand this fact. Now, if we say what exactly the reciprocal is. Reciprocal is basically the opposite. If I say a raised to the power minus n, the reciprocal of this is 1 upon a raised to the power n. Okay. So we'll start with the laws of the exponents. There are basically 6 laws which we have to know. First law says a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n. If the bases are same and they are in the multiplication operation and the powers are different, in that case a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is always equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Let's see how it works with the example. If I have 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 3, in that case 2 raised to the power 4 plus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 7, and hence this laws work. Hope you understand. Okay, now we'll go for the second law of exponents, which says if a raised to the power m is divided by a raised to the power n, that means if the bases are same and the powers are different and they are in the division operation, right? Here powers are different. Okay, in In that case, what we will do is a raised to the power m divide by a raised to the power m is equal to a m minus n. We can write this as like this, a upon n. So again it is a raised to the power m minus n. We'll see this with an example again. Let's say raised to the power 6 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. The bases are same, powers are different and division operation is there. So according to the law, we'll say 2 raised to the power 6 minus 3, which is equal to 6 minus 3 is again 3. So we'll write 2 raised to the power 3, and 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next law is that is saying there is a single base with double power. Let's say a raised to the power m whole bracket raised to the power n. Here there is a single base but 2 powers. So we'll write this as a raised to the power m multiplied by n, which is equal to a raised to the power m n. Right? So we'll again do this as with the help of example. Let's see. The law is a raised to the power m raised to the power n, which is equal to m n. So if I'll say 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, so the answer is 2 raised to the power 6. Clear?